My name is Kara Simons, and I run the Academic Support Program at Tri-City Christian School. So after seeing a classroom makeover, I had thought this would be really easy. My kids work so hard. They deserve this, they earn this. Our classroom is pretty minimal. It just has a couple of tables. It could really use a makeover, and I really wanted to bless the kids.
Hello, I'm Kirk Huckabone. I'm the head of school here at Tri-City Christian School. We're a college preparatory school for preschool actually through 12th grade. If there are things that we can do as a school, whether it is our teaching strategies, our curriculum, or even our lighting that allows those opportunities to be more readily available to all students equally, and it's a great opportunity for us to take advantage of those and make the classroom a great place to be learning.
I'm Sri Venkat, from Signify, formerly called Philips Lighting. In the school room, we have actually installed one of our new lighting systems for human-centric lighting. It's a very easy to experience lighting system, digital control system with a few presets on a simple wireless wall switch. With that, you're able to actually control 3 different preset points for lights, both intensity as well as color temperature. You're also able to dim the lights, all the way from full brightness to full dim, and also continuously change the color temperature from cool to warm.
I have seen such a positive impact on the educational performance of students now that we have these new lights. I have certain students that know exactly which color works for them. They walk through the door and say, no, not this color, and they walk over, push the button, and switch it to the cool setting because they know warm doesn't work for them, or the opposite. And I wish they could have these lights at home, take them to college with them. I even wish I had these lights at my house because I've figured out the color that works for me. And even when I had a migraine this week, I could dim them. We don't need to know that, do we?